Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video we are going to start with the gutters in Bootstrap. So what is gutter? So gutter is nothing but the gap between your column content, okay, that is created by horizontal and vertical paddings. So guys, now let's get started. Let's go to our editor and let's create one gutter.html. So gutters.html. So here is my file, and let's get back, and I need to integrate that. So click on docs, introduction, and let's copy this HTML structure with the bootstrap CDN links. Let's paste it. So here I'm going to start with container and push this h1 tag inside and tell gutters in bootstrap 5. Okay, so now guys, let's get started with an example of gutter. So basically gutters are used with the row classes. Okay, so now guys, for example, let us see on the documentation. Let's move and go to the layouts. Inside layouts we find gutters. So here they have given an how they work and where are these gutters used and how that gutter classes are. So the gutter class starts with the first letter of the gutter, that is G, and X will be the horizontal and Y will be the vertical. Okay, that is top and bottom, and only G is going to be the top and bottom and left and right. That means horizontal and vertical. So now guys, let's get started with an example. So first I just want to execute this file. So let me run this gutters.html, open with Chrome, and okay. So yep, and now guys, first I just want to create one style tag for a border, open and close, border colon 1px solid, just keep a black color, not important. Okay, and now let's begin with the example guys. So first I will give a horizontal gutter spacing for a column. Okay, so let's tell horizontal gutters, and now start with the container, row and column. So column 6. So you can create a h5 tag and tell row col and just give spacing from all the sides. Okay, that is padding from top and bottom, right and left. So now guys, let's copy this and paste again here, paste. So right now I have not declared any horizontal gutters right now. Let me zoom in, save, and now let us just check the output ones. So here you see, cannot know the difference, so we'll just add a border for this all the columns. Let's move and just add inside this h5 tag that border. Okay, let's save it, and now if you refresh, here you see by default it is showing some gaps over here for the each columns. Okay, so let us set with the horizontal gutter. So gx, that is horizontal, right and left, and I just want to give one, that is 24 pixel. So if you refresh, so you see that the gap between these two columns has reduced. So same way you can go with the 2, and then again you see there it increases the gap, and then if you go with the 3, 4 and 5, total will be 5. Now if I go to 5, here you see the more gap, and if you go with the standard 3 will be a correct maintainable space. Okay, and now this was the about the horizontal gutter. So gx is basically your horizontal, gx is a horizontal, and here 1 to 5 you can give. Okay, so that is 1 to 5, done. And now guys, let's go with the vertical. So here let me copy and paste and tell vertical gutter, so which is going to be gy, that is top and bottom vertical axis, okay, y axis, and it is also from 1 to 5. So here I am going to tell top and bottom, that is gutter y hyphen 1. Let's save, and you should see that difference, little space has come. So right now we just need equal spaces, means here gutter x and gutter y will be 3. Refresh. Okay, so here you see guys that the above column space is less and here bottom space is more. It is because I think we have given the border inside the head tag, right? So it's because of that. If you give this border outside, it will all be fixed. Let me just create a simple div instead of h5 tag. Let's create a div only. Let's save it, and if you refresh, here you go. So all goes fine guys with the correct spacing. So our vertical gutter also is working fine. And now guys, let's get started with the horizontal and vertical gutters together. So let me just show you. Let's move, and yep. So here you have seen the horizontal gutter, that is GX, the vertical gutter, the GY, and finally horizontal and vertical gutter to both. Okay, that is directly you're going to use G hyphen. So let's see an example guys for that also. Let me copy and paste and tell as horizontal and vertical gutter, which is going to be directly G hyphen 1 to till 5 it is going to be. Okay, so let me copy this and keep for us reference, and here you are going to remove this and directly tell G hyphen 1. Let's save, and now guys, let's see the output. So refresh. So here you see the equal spaces from that row, okay, columns. Let's give 3. Refresh. Here you see the spaces. Perfect. So guys, this is how we see about the horizontal and vertical gutters together. And now guys, if you get below, and here you see that row column gutters. So row column gutters basically are like on the mobile responsive, I need small gutter, and on medium size or desktop size, we need a big gutter spacing. So here you see that. Let's copy this and move below. So this was the horizontal vertical gutter, and here you see directly if you use G2, it's going to be on the mobile, and if you directly hyphen G and LG if you're going to use, it is going to be on the um, medium desktop size. Okay, so refresh and let me just shrink and show you. So here you see now it got less space, and just see the difference. So we are not able to check. Let me increase it to 5. Refresh. So here you see the more space, and when it goes to smaller size, it reduces the gutter space. So that is nothing but this row column gutter on the width of devices. Okay, so let me get back to the same size. Okay, so we have seen that row gutters also, row column gutters. Let's keep an example for this. So row column gutters, which is about the sizing inside this row itself. Okay, so according to that you can just use it. And now let's move below. So here you see no gutters. If you want no gutters, you can directly tell 0. So by default, let me just remove all the gutters here. Okay, so there is no gutters now inside the row, and by default it gives some spaces. So here you see the vertical doesn't have any space, but horizontal has the space, right? So I just don't want to give any space for this. You can just add this no gutter class G hyphen 0. Refresh. So here you see that all the gaps has been gone. Perfect. So that was an example for this no gutters. So you can just note it down this also. Okay, G hyphen 0. It's for no gutter class. Done guys. So guys, we have successfully learned with the gutter system in Bootstrap, how to use this gutter and where it's used in the gutter. Okay, so guys, in this video that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.